Hello dear students, in this video we will discuss about naming of mononuclear coordination compound. In this, first there are certain rules which we must need to remember. The cation is named first whenever the metal which is present as a cation or positively charged counterion. Cation is named first in both positive and negatively charged coordination entity. Coordination entity. Second, whenever we do the naming, ligands are named in alphabetical order before the name of central atom. Ligands are named in alphabetical order. यानी सपोज कि एक्वा और एमाइन दोनों दिया है तो एमाइन पहले लिखा जाएगा, एक्वा बाद में लिखा जाएगा. क्लोरो एंड ब्रोमो दोनों दिया है तो ब्रोमो पहले लिखा जाएगा, क्लोरो बाद में लिखा जाएगा. So ligands are named in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order before the name of central metal atom. Before the name of central metal atom. Next, rule number 3. Whenever we name the anionic ligand, that is negatively charged ligand, names of the anionic ligand follow by the word suffix. Names of the anionic ligand ligands and with suffix O. हर एक नेगेटिवली चार्ज लिगेंड के पीछे O ऐसे सफिक्स आएगा. For example, chlorine is written as Cl is written as chlorido, bromine as bromo, Cn as cyano, likewise. On the other side, neutral and cationic ligand name remain as it is. For neutral and cationic ligand name of the ligand remain the same, remains same, except Na3 instead of ammonia it is named as a amine. It is a neutral ligand. H2O instead of water we write it as a aqua. Likewise CO is termed as a carbonyl and NO as a nitrosyl. All these four are neutral ligands. All these four are the neutral ligands. On the other side, whenever same ligands are repeated 2 times, then di 3 times, then tri 4 times, then tetra, etc. are written before the name of ligands. Di, tri, tetra, etc. added as prefix if same ligand repeated 2, 3 or 4 times respectively. 2, 3 or 4 times respectively. Likewise, if the ligand itself consists of numeral prefix, when the names of the ligand include a numerical prefix, Then the terms bis, tris, tetrakis, etc. are used. When such ligands repeated 2, 3 or 4 times. For example, ethane 1,2-diamine. Ethane 1,2-diamine, it is a ligand and it is normally abbreviated as EN. Here in the name of the ligand already numeral 1 and 2 and it is repeated 2 times. Diamine numeral is present in the ligand, and if such ligand is present in any complex compound, suppose your complex compound is CrEn3 3 plus, then the name of this complex compound become, now this ligand how many times it is repeated? 3 times. Then we need to use word tris. Then in a bracket ethane 1,2-diamine. This ethane 1,2-diamine is represent 3 times, but we cannot use the word tri because already name of the ligand consists of the numeral di. Numeral is present in a name of the ligand. So we use the word tris. Tris ethane 1,2-diamine, chromium 3 ion. Likewise, oxidation state of the ligand always written, rule number 5. Oxidation state of the metal ion is written up in a Roman numeral after the name of metal. Oxidation state of central metal atom written in Roman numeral after the name of central metal atom. Next, if a complex ion is a cation, then metal is named same as it is. If coordination entity is neutral or positive, then name of central metal atom, name of central metal atom remain as it is. For example, cobalt is termed as only cobalt, nickel termed as a nickel only, chromium termed as a chromium only, whenever coordination entity is neutral or positive. But if coordination entity is negatively charged or surrounded by negative ligands, for negatively charged coordination entity, that is if the complex is anion or consists of negative ligands, then name of the metal followed by name of metal followed by suffix ate. ate as a suffix. For example, cobalt become cobaltate, ate as a suffix. Nickel become nickelate, Fe become ferret, etc. You have to remember all these 6 rules whenever we are practicing the nomenclature of mononuclear coordination compound. Do practicing or remember these all 6 rules while naming the coordination compound. In the next video, we will learn with example regarding naming of mononuclear coordination compound. Bye.